Hey, hello guys. How are you? I hope you guys are doing good. So, I have built a website, a plumbing website through the Bolt.new. So now I will upload this website on my hosting. I have already created a subdomain here, as you can see, aqua.credit. This is my subdomain here. As you can see, if I refresh, then you guys see like this. So I don't need this file. So let's delete and skip trust confirm. Okay. So if I reload, then it will be good to go. Okay. So now first I have to go my GitHub. So here as you can say, I have built this website. Here as you can see the GitHub icon. I have to click on GitHub. Then this is my GitHub already connected. If you don't have connect, then you can connect easily from here. So this is my GitHub, and if I click here, go to repository, and it will redirect on the GitHub. So now you have to click code like here, as you can say. Okay, here as you can see the code icon. This is code icon. Here you have to click. So to click, then click on download it. So let's download. So it's done. Maybe okay, it's done. Now I have to open my VS Code here. As you can see, this is VS Code. If you don't have a VS Code, then just come Google or any kind of browser and just simply search VS then code, and this is the website like a Visual Studio Code. Then come here, then click on the download, then it will redirect on this page. If you have Windows, then download the Windows file, or if you have a Linux, then you can download the Linux file, or if you use a Mac like this, then you can. So I have already downloaded, and my operating system is Windows. So now let's get open. This is my VS Code, and also I have downloaded this file. Okay, this is my another file. This is a immigration lawyer website. So it's skip, and I have downloaded this file. Its name Aqua Pro Plumbing. Okay, so let's go file manager, then go to download. Okay, download, and this one I have downloaded. So let's extract this file. So here you can say extract, then extract click. Then this is my main file. So I have to okay, now this is main file. So just grab and add here main file and download section here. This is my main file. Okay, so now go to VS Code and open folder and go download, and here as you can see the Aqua Pro Plumbing. Then this is main file, and select the folder. Okay, it's come. Okay, now we need to two file. One is node and another is a dist file. So first we need to install npm. So you need to click control Z, or you can just click here, as you can see this one. Okay, now click. So now I have to run npm install, npm then space then install, install. Okay, and this one you have to install, then click just simple enter. Okay, it's building, so we need to wait some minute, like 1 minute or 2 minutes it take. So here as you can see it's already come. So 1 minute maybe it will complete. and also uh, applies for my back noise in my outside. They're doing concert, that's why it's come back noise. So now let's you have to run another command, which one is npm then run then dev. Okay, so as you can say npm then space then run then def, then simply click enter, and here as you can say the localhost is done. So this is this one browser is my open. So if I click here, then here as you can say here a red icon, that's mean the website is live on my localhost. So that's okay, so it's live on my localhost. So now, okay, first node is done. Okay, node is done, and now we need to build a dist file. Here as you can say I don't have any kind of dist file, so now I need to make a dist file. So then just click delete, then again click here and just simply type npm run then build build, and then simply just enter. um, okay, where is the dist file? It's production building for, okay. Okay, here as you can see that dist file is cam. So we need to upload this asset and index on my on our hosting. So now just close this tab and go the download file and just open. Here as you can see this one is dist file, so I need to extract I need to zip this file. Where so click here and compress to zip file, this enter, and okay, done. Now I need to open my hosting. Here as you can see, okay, this one is my hosting. This one is my hosting, Aqua Growth Kit. Now click upload. Where is upload? Okay, here you can see this is upload. So and also just click here and simply drag and drop here. So okay, it's done. That is done. Now I need to minimize this and also minimize. So here you can see that this file is completely upload. Now I click to reload. As you can see this is done. Now I have to extract this file. Here you can see just click right on then extract and also extract, and here as you can see this is the root file. So if I go here and I can see some index and asset, so I need to move this on here. As you can see if I go there, we need to move here. So now go again and select all, then click move, then remove this sub name, then just click move. Okay, it's done. And if I go here, as you can see this cam. So now I need to go index this file. So if I reload, here as you can see this is our custom domain and this is the website. It's done. So in this video I you guys see how I can host on my hosting also at custom domain. So if you need any kind of help, I will add my WhatsApp number on my description. Just feel free to drop a message, then when I am free then I will answer, no problem. So bye bye.